Adobe Camera RAW behaves in a certain way, and if you want to change the way it behaves, the way the software behaves, then you can go around and change around its settings. So what we're going to explore right here is the general settings. So you can change some general behaviors of the application. So to do that, you can go around and click on the gear icon right here. And once you go around and click on the gear icon over here, you get to the general area. And you get the color theme selection. You can make it dark right here, which is the darkest theme. You can make it light, as you can see, so you get a traditional light look right here. You can also go for light and dark look right here, depending on what you want. But I'm just going to go around and stick to darkest right here. Over here, you get the panel behavior. Like you get the single behavior, you got the responsive, or you can also access multiple panels right here all together as well. You can utilize the compact layout and then you can also go around and utilize legacy target adjustment tool, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and press OK right here, then it'll restart out the application with the new settings. So if I were to go around and press OK, now you can see that the application actually goes around and restarts. So it's loading again right here, and now you get a more compact view as per the settings, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. Let me just go around and disable this and then go back to single right here and so forth. Over here, you can also see the film strip, which is horizontal right now, but you can set it to vertical as well, and you can show the file names and show the ratings and colors over here just like this as well. And then you can use legacy and undo shortcut keys right here as well, and use Lightroom style zoom and pan as well, just like this. So you can go around and enable this out as well. So whatever you want, you can simply enable. Let me just go around and press OK right here, and it restarts again, and let's see the changes that it actually applied over here. So you can see that now the film strip are on the left side over here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and change around the general preferences so that the software behaves the way you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.